Morning on the Bow. Frost covers everything after a night of fog. Mist from the warm water released from a water treatment plant steams in the sub-freezing cold. For Bow River birds, this is how their day begins. There's several thousand ducks and geese that spend the winter here, taking advantage of the open water on the Bow. And birds like this young bald eagle take advantage of all those ducks and geese. But in spite of the hardships, every morning there's a chorus of quacks and honks that compete with the traffic noise from Deerfoot Trail. And in the middle of a city of over 1 million people, that's a pretty good thing.